Raytheon, an RTX business, recently demonstrated the latest evolution of its Coyote platform, the Coyote Block 3 non-kinetic 3NK. During a U.S. Army exercise, the system defeated drone swarms and validated its launch, flight, intercept, and recovery capabilities. The capability supports the U.S. Army's Low, Slow, Small Unmanned Aircraft Integrated Defeat System, LIDS. Within this framework, Coyote pairs with Raytheon's Ku-band radio frequency sensor to provide integrated detect and defeat performance. Together, they detect, track, and counter unmanned aircraft systems at extended ranges and at higher altitudes than similar class effectors. Raytheon produces both kinetic and non-kinetic variants of the Coyote to address different threat profiles. Rather than relying on a traditional warhead, the 3NK uses a non-kinetic payload designed to minimize the risk of collateral damage. The Interceptor can loiter, engage incoming drones, and then be recalled and redeployed for additional missions, providing a cost-effective defense. RTX recently secured its largest counter-drone contract to date under the Army's LIDS program. As drone threats grow in scale and complexity, recoverable counter-UAS systems such as Coyote are positioned to deliver a flexible, scalable, and cost-effective layer of defense.